Welcome to Anna Solution Zone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass iCloud activation lock from MacBook on latest iBridge 10 and above. Also, macOS Sequoia 15.6 and above by using iRemove tools. This tool supports bypass on all the MacBooks from 2018 to 2020, having the Intel T2 chipset. You can check out the screen to see all the Mac models supported for the bypass. Please note that you must have one separate working Mac in order to do this bypass. If you do not have MacBook and want to know how to bypass MacBook by using Windows tool, then leave a comment down below. I will make a separate video on that topic. Also, I will provide a special discount promo code to all my viewers, where you can instantly get 5 to 15% discounts on all iRemove tools services. So, watch this video till the end. Now, let's start the video. At first, you need to restore the locked MacBook by using Apple Configurator. For that, download and install Apple Configurator from the App Store on the host Mac. Now, open the Apple Configurator and connect your locked MacBook with the host Mac by using Type-C to Type-C cable. You can check out the screen in order to know on which port to connect the cable on your locked MacBook and the host MacBook. Now, put the locked MacBook into the DFU mode. For that, hold down the power button for 1 second, and while still holding the power button, press right shift, left control and left option keys for 8 seconds until it shows the DFU screen in the Apple Configurator app on the host Mac. You can also check out the screen to know DFU key combination for other Mac models. Now, you can right-click on DFU screen, or simply go to Action at the top and click on Restore. Again, click on Restore. Here, the restore process has been started. If you get any error during this process, then simply repeat the same steps again. You will definitely get success. Here, the restore process has been completed. Now, let's wait for the locked MacBook to be turned on. If it does not turn on, then simply wait for 3 to 5 seconds and press the power button just once. Now, the MacBook should boot up to this spinning globe screen. If your Mac does not boot up to this spinning globe screen and instead shows the blinking folder screen, then you have to restore your MacBook again by using Apple Configurator. Now, close the Apple Configurator app and download the iRemove tools. I will drop the link of this tool in the comment or description section. Please check it out, or you can also directly download it from the official iRemove tools website. For that, open any browser available on your Mac and go to iRemove.tools website. Scroll a little bit and you will see Find My Mac Activation Lock Bypass Software. Click on the download link. After the downloading has finished, just simply open the downloaded zip file and extract it by double-clicking on it. Again, double-click on the extracted folder. If it shows this pop-up message, then simply click on Done and go to Settings. Find Privacy and Security and click on it. Scroll up to the bottom and click on Open Anyway. Again, click on Open Anyway. Now, enter your MacBook screen lock password. Then, click on Continue and click on Install. Again, enter your MacBook screen lock password. Click on Close. And click on Move to Trash. Here, the installation has been completed. Now, close all the open tab and open the iRemove tools that we have recently installed. If you don't know how to put your locked MacBook into the DFU mode and don't know on which port to connect the Type-C to Type-C cable, then you can also take help from this tool. Just simply click on How to connect into DFU mode. Here, you will get the option to select the locked Mac models and the host Mac models. You can choose them as per your Mac models and get the idea on which port to connect the Type-C to Type-C cable, along with DFU key combinations to put the locked Mac into DFU mode. Now, click on Close. And let's put the locked MacBook into the DFU mode. Follow the same previous steps, that is, hold down the power button for 1 second. And, while still holding the power button, now, press right shift, left control and left option key for 8 seconds. Until it shows spinning circle in the iRemove tools on the host Mac. Now, click on Order macOS iCloud Bypass. You will be redirected to this payment page. Now, fill out this form with your details and type ANNA6 to 9 in the promo code section. Then, click on Apply Promo Code button. You will instantly get 5 to 15% discounts after applying this promo code. So, don't forget to apply this promo code while making the payment. Here, you can see that I have instantly got the $5 discount after applying this promo code. Now, choose the suitable payment method and tick on Accept Agreement box. Then, click on Buy Now. As soon as you make the payment, you will be redirected to the thank you page. And your device will be instantly registered in the iRemove Tools server. Now, I will come back after making this payment. Also, close the browser after making the payment. Now, disconnect the cable from the locked MacBook and connect it again. If the spinning circle does not appear on the iRemove tools, then you have to again put the locked MacBook into the DFU mode. Now, click on Start. Here, the tool shows that the device has been successfully bypassed. Now, close the tool and disconnect the cable from the host Mac. Now, put your locked MacBook into the recovery mode. For that, press and release the power button, and quickly press the Option, Command and R keys simultaneously until it shows the spinning globe screen. Now, choose your Wi-Fi and connect to it. This might take us several minutes, depending on your internet speed. Now, choose the language as English. Select the disk utility and click on Continue. Click on View. Then click on Show All Devices. Then after, select the disk at the top and click on Erase. Again, click on Erase. After that, close this tab. Now, select Install macOS Sequoia and click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Click on Agree. Again, click on Agree. Now, select the disk and click on Continue. Now, click on Get Started. Choose the language as English. And click on Continue. Select your country and click on Continue. Click on Setup as New and click on Continue. Click on Continue. Click on Not Now. Now, choose your Wi-Fi and connect to it. Again, click on Continue. Here, enter your name and create a new MacBook screen lock passcode. Then after, click on Continue. Click on Setup Later. Click on Skip. Click on Agree. Again, click on Agree. Now, click on Continue. Click on Don't Use. Click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Click on Setup Later. Uncheck Enable Ask Siri and click on Continue. Click on Setup Later. Click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Click on Only Download Automatically. Click on Continue. Boom! Finally, this MacBook has been successfully bypassed. This is a completely untethered bypass where you can turn off and turn it on without any issues. You can also force shut down your Mac and turn it on again without any issues. In this way, you can bypass all the MacBook from 2018 to 2020, having the Intel T2 chipset by using this tool. If you face any issues while doing this bypass process, then simply contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. I will drop the link of my Telegram or WhatsApp in the comment or description section. Please check it out. Also, don't forget to apply the discount promo code while making the payment, where you will instantly get 5 to 15% discount after applying the promo code. If you find this video helpful, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.